Today, we will visit Shirakawa-go and practice useful travel English.
Our destination is a snowy traditional village in Gifu.
We will enjoy gassho-zukuri houses, winter scenery, and warm local culture.
This trip is perfect for slow English and beautiful Japanese scenery.
Let's learn simple phrases you can use while traveling.
Let's practice slowly and clearly together. We finally arrived in Shirakawa-go.
Yes, the snowy village already looks beautiful.
It looks like a fairy tale.
That is a lovely phrase for this view.
How do I say まるでおとぎ話みたい in English?
You can say, it looks like a fairy tale.
It looks like a fairy tale.
Perfect. It sounds natural and warm.
I'm excited to walk around.
That is also a useful travel phrase.
Let's start our walk.
Yes, let's enjoy the village.
The roof is very unique.
Yes, this style is called gassho-zukuri.
Why is it called that?
Because the roof looks like hands in prayer.
It looks strong.
This house is built for snowy weather.
This house is built for snowy weather.
Very good. That sentence is easy and useful.
The snow on the roof looks beautiful.
It shows how tradition works with nature.
I want to look closer.
Sure, let's go nearer.
The village is so quiet.
Yes, I feel peaceful here.
I feel peaceful here.
Excellent. That sounds very natural.
The snow makes everything softer.
That is a beautiful way to describe it.
The village is so quiet.
Good. That phrase is simple and useful.
Be careful on the snow.
Right. That is a very practical phrase.
The air is fresh, too.
Yes. Let's walk slowly and enjoy it.
Wow, I can see the whole village from here.
Yes, the view is breathtaking.
The view is breathtaking.
Perfect. That is a great phrase for amazing scenery.
This is one of the most beautiful views I've ever seen.
That sentence sounds very natural too.
The houses look small and warm from above.
And the snow makes the village even more charming.
I want to remember this view.
Me too. It feels unforgettable already.
The lights are starting to glow.
Yes, the evening view is special.
This is a perfect photo spot.
Yes, the houses and snow look wonderful together.
Could you take a picture for us?
That is a very useful travel phrase.
Could you take one more?
Good. That is another helpful phrase.
Could you take one more?
Perfect. You said it clearly.
I want one with the houses behind us.
That will look great.
Let's take a few more pictures.
Sure. This village is full of photo spots.
The inside feels warm.
Yes. The wood and the hearth create a cozy feeling.
I can feel the history here.
That is a great phrase.
I can feel the history here.
Excellent. It sounds natural and calm.
This is a traditional lifestyle.
Right. That explains the farmhouse well.
The old tools are interesting too.
They show how people lived in the past.
I can imagine daily life here.
Me too. It feels very real.
It feels cozy here.
Yes, it feels cozy is a useful phrase.
It feels cozy.
Very good. That sounds natural.
I feel warm now.
Great. That is also easy to use.
This place has a relaxing atmosphere.
Perfect. That sentence fits this room well.
I could stay here for a long time.
I know what you mean.
The fire makes me feel calm.
Yes, it is a peaceful moment.
The food smells so good.
Yes, this place is known for local dishes.
What do you recommend?
That is a very useful phrase at restaurants.
What do you recommend?
I recommend the soba and hoba miso.
I'll have this.
Good. That phrase is simple and natural.
This local food is delicious.
Excellent. That sounds very clear.
The hot tea tastes comforting too.
Yes, everything feels warm and relaxing.
The lights are beautiful.
Yes, the lights make it magical.
The lights make it magical.
Perfect. That phrase matches the night view well.
It looks completely different at night.
That is true. The mood changes a lot.
The village feels calm and magical at the same time.
That is a beautiful description.
I want to stay a little longer.
Me too. This scene is unforgettable.
I'm glad we came at night too.
Yes, it was worth it.
Today was unforgettable.
I agree. I'm glad we came here.
The photos came out nicely.
Yes. Let's review today's English too.
I want to come back again.
That is a perfect final phrase.
I want to come back again.
Excellent. It sounds honest and natural.
This trip was very special.
Yes, we learned a lot and enjoyed a lot.
Let's remember this day for a long time.
We will. It was a wonderful trip. Let's review a few key phrases.
Sure, I'm ready.
It looks like a fairy tale.
It looks like a fairy tale.
This house is built for snowy weather.
This house is built for snowy weather.
I feel peaceful here.
I feel peaceful here.
The view is breathtaking.
The view is breathtaking.
Could you take a picture for us?
Could you take a picture for us?
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
I want to come back again.
I want to come back again.
Thank you for joining our trip to Shirakawa-go.
We enjoyed snowy scenery, traditional houses, and warm local culture.
We also practiced Useful travel English phrases.
My favorite moment was the beautiful night view.
I loved the peaceful village atmosphere.
We hope this lesson was helpful for you.
Please keep practicing slowly and clearly.
Let's enjoy English and travel together again.
Thank you for watching.
See you in the next trip.